Hello and welcome back. This is 9.0 Upper Roof Trusses TSET. We're going to start off by coding roof and support lines. We need to ensure that border number 6 has the outline of the second floor walls and the balcony. You should already have an outline of the second floor walls there already. Let's add the outline of the balcony. Quick navigate to border number 4. Initiate the copy view command. We're going to select the polyline that represents the outline of the balcony. If you no longer have this outline, simply exit this command and recreate it using the polyline command. Balcony is consistent of these 3 lines here. With the copy view command, I'm going to go ahead and select my polyline and hit enter. And I'll click anywhere within border number 6. Hit escape 2 times. Now we're going to offset these polylines by 17.5 inches. So I'm going to quick navigate to border number 6, initiate the offset command, and type in 17.5 inches. Let's select the second floor outline. And for the side to offset, select anywhere around the polyline, making sure that you're offsetting outwards from the outline. While still in the command, select the outline of the balcony. Again, select anywhere around the polyline to make sure you're indicating you want to offset outwards from that outline. Hit escape 2 times to exit the command. Now we need to code our support lines and roof lines accordingly. Initiate the SL support line command. Select the second floor outline and the outline of the balcony. Click enter. Now let's initiate the RL roof line command. Select the 2 offset lines. Hit enter. And here's your result. We need to edit these lines using the various member editing tools. Initiate the MC member cut command. Select the appropriate roof line. For the location to cut member, ensure that the midpoint entity snap is on. Snap to the midpoint. Click once and hit enter. This line should now split into 2. Now we can initiate the member fillet command and fillet these 2 lines. Repeat the command and fillet those 2 lines. Let's create the roof lines. Now that we have coded our support lines and roof lines, we can begin to create our roof lines by defining their rectangular footprints. Type in CRL. When defining the roof lines, we need to use 3 points. The first 2 points define the roof width and the orientation of the trusses, while the third point determines the extent of the roof trusses and the roof length. I will snap my cursor to this endpoint here, this endpoint here, zoom out and snap to this third point here. A yellow asterisk will appear. You'll be prompted to choose a roof type condition on this side of the roof. Type H for hip. A red asterisk will appear, and you'll be prompted to choose a roof type condition on this side of the roof. Type H for hip, and hit enter. Now we need to define the roof block above the upstairs balcony. Type in CRL, hit enter. We'll use 3 points here, here, and here. For this roof, we're going to type in G for gable. And then for this one, we're going to type in V for valley. Type TSET. All of the previous settings that we've used in the past are still here. Since this roof system atop the second story walls, our reduced level value should be 17 foot 4. So change reduced value to 17 foot 4 inches. Click save. We're going to add our trusses. Type TD for truss draw. For the first corner, we're going to choose this endpoint where the support lines are. This endpoint and our third endpoint over here. We've got a G for a gable roof and a, excuse me. I'm going to undo that. TD. Click these 3 points. H and H. There we go. Let's work on our balcony roof. Reissue this command. Find your support lines. We'll use G for gable and V for valley. Let's label all of our trusses. Let's type in LI for framing list entity item. We'll select all of our trusses here. Hit enter. And for zone, we're going to zone them as upper roof trusses, or URT. Hit keep. Let's go to our model tab. Initiate the T3D command. That's going to delete any existing trusses in this 3D model. And reissue the T3D command. And it will generate a brand new truss 3D model. And there you have it. These are our upper roof trusses. If you have any questions about this assignment, please leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you on the next one.